What's up, 3DiDDy Offroaders? Mighty Boltar here. I'm just here to let you know that we unboxed some stuff today, but we also wanted to let you know we got 10,000 followers. Broke that record. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We're moving forward so fast we can hardly even stand it. I brought some people onto the team. We've got Samurai Bob. We got KC6. We got Wrecked Rides, who brought on his 66 Freightliner cab over engine Cummins 344 paired with a 16-speed Browning transmission. That thing is the bomb diggity. Here's a little clip of that thing burning some fuel. We've also got a 42-foot race trailer that's been added to the team. A couple of Ford pickup trucks that are just super raring to go. And the most epic Subaru you will ever find in your life. And now we're going to move on to the unboxing. We're doing some great things. Here's one of the things we've done to upgrade our game. We've got the Osmo Mobile 3 Combo Gimbal Mount by DJI. What we do is we put our phone on here and we can take epic, smooth videos with this. So we've got the Osmo upgraded and got the Mavic Mini drone. This little buddy will fly right behind us. This is really cool. I recently just got these custom wet Okole 4Runner SR5 seat covers. They are absolutely gorgeous, nice and soft. This is gonna make the 4Runner just look brand new inside. I am so very excited. Thank you once again. 3DiDDy Offroad here. Huzzah!